Hey there planners, welcome back to the channel Creating with Sarah. So today's video I have for you a little advent to share with you all. This is the Planything advent calendar for 2022. I'm going to open 1 through 4 in this video, so I'm trying to avoid spoilers. But if you haven't had the chance to open yours up, I would recommend not watching this video. So again, today's video I'm going to share with you guys the advent calendar from Planything. So if you guys want to check this out, then keep on watching. Channel, I am Sarah, all things creating, planning, yet keeping things fun and functional here on my channel. I love planning, and this month I'm sharing with you all some more holiday planner content. And today I thought it would be fun to share with you 1 through 4 in the Planything advent calendar. So I'm hoping to post this when everyone is open theirs on time. But if you haven't opened yours, you probably don't want to watch this video. I just want to put that out there so that I don't spoil it. But I'm trying to set these videos where people have had the time to open theirs. Hopefully. So again, today I'm going to share 1 through 4. So I'm hoping to post this, on Sunday. But I kind of wanted to do it in groups. I hope that makes sense. So this is again, this is an advent calendar by Planything. I've shared her planner products here on my channel. She has amazing sticker books, and she has seasonal items. So I will put a link down below if you guys want to check her out, but I love supporting her shop. It's our second year putting together a advent calendar that is full of planner products. I do have last year's posted on my Instagram. This year I'm doing it different and posting it on YouTube, but if you are curious and you want to watch that playback, it's on my Instagram in the highlights. So yeah, okay, so let's get into this because I've been dying to get into this. I did purchase this myself, so I'm super excited about it. So I have it in this cute little bin, and we're going to open up 1 through 4, and I have them in order. Set this bin aside. Okay, yay! Okay, this is so fun. So I hope all of you are having an amazing start to your December. I love Advents, especially when they're planner related, because I'm a geek for this stuff. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. So here's number 1. Oh my gosh, this feels like a sticker book. Ah! It is a sticker book. So this is Planything's Happy Seasons, 502 stickers. It's a 30-sheet sticker book. Oh my gosh. And I believe these are all exclusives. Oh my gosh. So cute. Okay, I'm going to flip through this really quickly. And the reason why I'm doing this early, the Advent, is because last year I did it day by day, and I did not get a chance to use anything in my Advent calendar. And I wanted to do this earlier, so that way I could start using these items. And yeah, so I hope you guys are okay with that. But oh my gosh. And I hope you were able to get a box this year. If you're new to my channel, this will be something great to get for next year. And I can't say, what she's going to do differently, but this is so cute. Look at this. This is a all year round sticker book. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. And I honestly don't know if she's going to sell this on her shop, this sticker book. It may be exclusive to the Advent calendar. I apologize. I kind of feel bad, but oh my gosh, I'm excited to play with these stickers. Super cute. Again, that's why I wanted to open this, so I could get a chance to use these stickers. Again, everything that I opened last year was like day by day, and I was just collecting it to the side, and I didn't get a chance to use some of it. But how cute is this sticker book? Oh my gosh. So it's a mixture of clear and cute functional decorative stickers, and then the functional boxes. Oh my gosh, this one is adorable. Look at this purple Easter spring stickers. Oh my gosh, so cute. I love it. Wow, what a great one to start off the Advent. Okay, let's go to number 2. Oh, pretty. Oh, I love her pens. Her pens are so pretty. So these are very nice to actually use during the seasons like this. They're just so festive looking. And this one's like a pretty, like a sapphire blue with the little crystals, and it has Planythings engraved here. And then it is a twisty pen. It's a black ink. So I do have a couple of her pens, and these are just so pretty. So that's nice. Okay, so that was number 2 for day 2. Okay, let's open up day 3. Oh, cute! See, I'm so excited. So now I can use some of these things. Look at this little notepad. So cute. This is definitely going on my desk. So it's a cute little notepad with a snowy scene, a little house, and a snowman. It's just so cute and perfect for the holidays. And I can use my little pen, put this on my desk downstairs, and just take a couple of notes. We always need Post-its, especially when you're like on those phone calls with maybe your phone bill, gas company, like, or, you know, making appointments. I always need a Post-it. So that's going to be super cute. All right, so last day, let's open up day 4, which will be today. What's inside? Washi! So cute. Okay, let me open this up. So I'm going to swatch the washi so you guys can get a good look at this scene. It's really pretty. So this is a matte finish washi. And it was a little hard to kind of get it going to open it. It feels really stuck on there, like really matted down. But this is a cute, repeated, snowy, like street. Super cute. So it kind of matches the sticky note, which is really cute. So you have the snowman amongst the fence and like lanterns. It's just like a cute little cottage street, like your neighbors or something. I don't know. It's really cute. I love how it has like a cute snowy scene. I love it. So super excited. Again, I'm so happy I decided to kind of, you know, do this all together, so that way I'm not hoping that I'm not spoiling anything for anybody, and the fact that I can kind of plan with this too, playing with some of these stickers. But so if you're new to my channel, I hope you will consider subscribing. I love sharing planner content things, and sometimes I have hauls and unboxings and definitely plans with me's. I use an ERIN Daily Petite and a Weekly View and an A5. But anywho, if you enjoyed this video, definitely give it a thumbs up, and I will see you on the next one. Happy holidays. Bye.